Whoa, it's heavy.
This is mine.
That one's yours? Let me see it. Let's see what name it says. Don't open it. You gotta look what it says on here.
Okay, Mom. Are we
Okay,
gonna
which one's yours?
Hey, Mom, this one.
Are we gonna open all the presents and do the tree? Or are we just
Look at all of them.
Are we gonna open them? Or are we just gonna sit around?
Sit around.
James, if we sit around, we can't open. Where's the box?
Over here.
James, what do you have?
I didn't get another one.
It's right here.
Get another one. Yay! It's a toy. I bet it's $40. Mom, can I go get Mom, can I go get the scissors? Running, check all these out.
Papa Bill,
Can I get the scissors?
send me Mary Gamma.
I got Metatron!
Mary Gamma.
Mom, watch James' eyes. They're gonna go big. They're gonna go super big. Hurry up, James.
James, flip it around and open it.
Yep. Oh, don't worry.
Ready? And... Hey, this is from Sophie. What is it, James?
Oh yeah.
Hello?
But we're still opening stuff. We're gonna be opening stuff for a while. Okay.
Why don't you put it in here?
Open that. Say Merry Christmas.
Hey, now I fix it.
Okay, what is it? Hold it up so I can see. Whoa! Is it a car for your Zuzu pet? Look at the front of it.
You got two Zuzu pets?
Yep.
Yeah, and two set, and a car and a play set.
I opened it.
You want to play with it?
James, you're crazy.
Open.
What? Oh.
Open, James.
Rip it open. Rip it open. Rip open the paper.
What is this? Okay, and guess what I got? A chemistry set. Experiments. Is this the candy one I've been waiting to try to get?
Can you take your hood off?
Oh, cool. I get to make inventions.
Okay, turn them this way so we can see.
That has a curly one.
Open it.
Who's this from? Mom? Who's this from? Mom! Who's this from? Shut up!
Tyler, just open it.
It's either a cell phone or a cell phone charger or both.
Tyler, look.
Yes! Wait, what is this? Okay. Oh man, you can't got matching phones. What is this? It's a phone.
at me. Sit down right next to Tyler. Hold on, Tyler. Let me get you in there.
Is this a real one?
I want to play the Uno Moo game. Where'd James go?
He's right here.
A tornado went through our house, Brian. It was clean.
No.
I want to know when they're going to go outside.
Not for a little bit.
It's cold. The wind's raw.
Mom,
Okay.
looking at
You
the
want me to
door.
come knock on your door?
And then shoot right on down so you can see what the door's like there.
Like a triple charge, Brian?
Yep.
Brian's video player in the aftermath.
James, look at your daddy.
Oh, cheese.
James, look at your daddy.
Hey, Dad.
James, you used them all.